Hello friends, today we together will learn how we can download a GIF and save onto our computer as a GIF file that is in the correct format. So without wasting much time, let us dive straight into it. First, we will open the website that is giphy.com, where we can find millions of GIFs in a wide array of categories. Now that we are on the website, let us say that we want to download and save this GIF on our computer. So we will left click on the GIF which we want to save. This window will open, and on the right hand side you will see some options to favorite it, copy link, media and embed. We will click on copy link, and the second option here says a link to the GIF image itself. So we will click in this box and copy this link, which says it will lead us to the GIF image itself, and that is what we want. Now we will paste this link in a new tab and open it. We will try to save this GIF onto our computer by right-clicking and save image as. As you can see, when we do this, the save as type here is WEBB file, and we want to download it in the GIF format. So this will not do. So how can we overcome this problem? As you know, we have copied this link and we had pasted it in a new tab. Now, just to show you and demonstrate you, I will paste the same link here on my notepad, and I will paste it again. And then please watch carefully. This is the part that you won't want to miss. Now we just have to replace this media with the letter I and copy it, Ctrl C, and now again we will paste it in our new tab, Ctrl V. It has opened, and now when I right click on this, go to save image as. Now this is in the correct format, .gif, and this is what we want. And when we hit save, it will be saved on my computer to use for my further projects or wherever I wish to use it. So that's it for today's video. Hope you find it useful, and we have solved a problem. So from now you can easily save GIFs onto your computer just by replacing the media with I, the first media with I. If you find it useful, please consider subscribing the channel, commenting below what kind of problems you are facing or what videos you want me to post, and please hit the like button. This would be a great encouragement for you. Thank you very much. Bidding you goodbye. Simba here.